Hi Dr. Johanna, my name is GOH CHANG ZHE and I'd like to share my reflection on what I have learned throughout the requirement engineering and software modeling course and during the development of our digital mental health literacy hub project, which we completed across 4 phases. In phase 1 to phase 3, we focus on defining what the system should do and why. In phase 1, we gather users' needs and document them using natural language and stakeholder feedback. Phase 2 involved modeling these requirements through use case diagram, activity diagram, state diagram, and class diagram to visualize system behavior and interaction. In phase 3, we compiled everything into a comprehensive software requirement specification document that included functional and non-functional requirements, system constraint, and interface details. These phases taught me the importance of understanding users' needs and documenting them clearly before moving into design. Phase 4 was the most hands-on and rewarding part of the project. We finally turned all of our diagrams and models into a high-fidelity prototype that users can actually interact with. I was mainly responsible for building the student dashboard and the self-assessment and progress tracking module of our system. From this experience, I learned how to design interfaces that are not only user-friendly but also aligned with the system logic. For instance, the use case diagram helped me decide what features should appear on each page and which user role had access to them. Our use case description helped me understand how the particular features work and how the system should respond based on user input. The class diagrams help guide how information like assessment, scores, and feedback should be structured and stored. One key realization I had is a good prototype is more than just a nice UI. It's a reflection of the system logic, requirements, and real workflow. By basing our design on earlier documentation, we could ensure consistency, clarity, and completeness. Throughout the RESM course, I gained valuable skills that goes beyond this project. I learned how to gather and document requirements, both in structured diagram and in natural language. I also learned about requirement validation and management, and how to analyze a system from multiple perspectives like functional, behavioral, and data-oriented. I also developed confidence in using diagrams to communicate complex ideas. For example, before this course, I wasn't very familiar on how to draw state diagrams or activity diagrams effectively, even though we already had our software engineering courses before, but now I understand how they represent system states, transition in a way that is easy for both developers and stakeholders to understand. This course helped me shift my thinking from just a developer's mindset to that of a system analyst, someone who looks at the bigger picture, anticipates users' needs, and ensures the system design addresses them clearly. I also learned that good communication and documentation are just as important as technical skills. In conclusion, the RSM course and this project show me that building a system is a structured process that starts with understanding problems, continues through detailed modeling and planning, and only then move into design and development. It's been a valuable journey, and I truly appreciate the knowledge and experience I've gained. Lastly, I would like to sincerely thank Dr. Johanna for guiding us throughout this course. Your teaching and feedback helped me understand the real value of structure analysis and thoughtful system design. This project has shown me that behind every great system is a clear plan, well-documented requirements, and a team that know what they are building and why. Thank you, Doctor. And that is all of my reflection. Thank you for listening.